Today we're here at Plopsaland Belgium for my first ever visit. I cannot wait to get on the ride to happiness. It's apparently some people's #1 coaster in the entire world, so I really cannot wait to get on that. It looks like it's going to be a really quiet day today. The car park barely had any cars in it, so hopefully we can get in as many rides as possible. I'm so excited to get on this.
That is insane.
The ride to happiness is a absolutely world-class roller coaster. I'm still not 100% sure whereabouts it ranks in my, I've got to say, top 5. It's definitely up there. But yeah, I'm still undecided whereabouts it does actually rank. However, yeah, it's an absolute world-class coaster. And if you haven't already been to Plopsaland Belgium, then I'd highly recommend coming just to ride that thing. It's absolutely incredible. Some really cool theming at Plopsaland. It sort of surprised me a little bit, to be honest. And as you can see there, the next ride is going to be Anubis. Really nice park. We're about halfway through our day here at Plopsaland and it's been fantastic so far. The queues have been so short. It's been pretty much walk on for everything. Yeah, which is, you can't really complain with that. So yeah, really enjoying it so far. We've just come to see if we can get in here for food and yeah, there's no way in hell I'm paying them prices. We're now on a mission to try and find some food. Because of how quiet it is today, it means that there's barely any of the food places open. So yeah, we are really struggling at the moment. I swear the only place that's been open all day are churro stands. And while I do love churros, I mean, I want something a little bit more substantial. Another thing closed. Will we ever get some food? Finally managed to get some food. I don't even know what this is, but it's a yeah, sort of fried chicken baguette, a flaguette it was called. No idea. And then obviously the trusty Fanta lemon. I did not expect this, to be honest. I mean, this looks very cool. It's got to be done. It's raining outside, so I've just had some food and yeah, only right if we go on a little dark ride, just so I'm not sick on a ride. Who's this little fella over here? Why is this actually one of the coolest dark rides that I've done?
Really?
Yeah.
I need to take it after like that.
Yeah. It started raining now here at Plopsaland today. We've just done a few dark rides whilst it was heavy rain, but it has calmed down a little bit. So we are going to head onto something, I don't even know what it was called to be honest, which I believe is an Art Engineering XL Wild Swing, I think, maybe. But yeah, looks cool. As you will have seen, the weather has started to get quite bad here. It's raining quite heavily, so yeah, I'm definitely not going to be doing any of the water rides. It's now time to just get in some re-rides before we finish up for the day. To end the day, I of course had to go on the Ride to Happiness one more time because it's an absolutely world-class roller coaster. So if you haven't already, make sure you get yourself down to Plopsaland Belgium to ride this thing because it is worth the trip. If you have enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like down below and also subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.